The order, concerned order is at page 27, my lord. But paragraph number 5. The respondent shall take steps to clear up the pending bills of the petitioner prior to the adjourned date. The details of bills paid and to be paid in future shall be intimated to the petition. My lord, only a meager amount out of 40 lakhs and odd, about 40 lakhs 36,660, only 11 lakhs 481 has been paid, and 30 lakhs 36,179. My lord, page 10, I have detailed. Page 10.
The writ petition is still pending, isn't
Still
it?
pending.
Why don't you take it up for final hearing and you file a contempt?
My lord, the final hearing, the matter is not coming. Yes, my lord, I agree.
You take steps.
But this order has been violated, and in the meantime, a long period has elapsed.
That is the reason you take it up in the writ petition. The writ petition is pending consideration.
But this order was violated.
Which order is violated? What is the violation?
A violation is, my lord, this details has not been given.
Yes, so you mention it before the honorable bench taking up the matter.
Details has not been given. No payment has
You
been made.
no, the
But
writ
there
petition
is a
is pending.
direction for payment of the rest of the amount.
The writ petition is still pending. Try to understand.
Yes.
Acha,
Yes.
the petitioner alleges violation of the order passed by the court on 5th March 2025. Stop. It appears that the writ petition is still pending consideration. Stop. The petitioner is a learned advocate of this court and he alleges non-payment of his professional bills. Stop. As the writ petition is pending consideration, accordingly, the court is not inclined to entertain the contempt application. Entertain the application for contempt at this stage. Stop. The contempt application stands disposed of. It will be open for the petitioner to take up the to pursue the writ petition for hearing, for final hearing.
Well, in that case, some priority petitioner will get.
How can I give priority to some other bench? I didn't mean my bench, I could have taken it up. Can I dictate somebody else? Next. I didn't see what application. Nobody is there? Not this week.
The unauthorized construction has to be demolished, or operating portion is at A8 of the audit to be 9th February 2026. Last page.
Correction. Huh? Correction যেটা হয়েছিল সেটা কথা দিয়ে দেবেন।
Yes, so what is to be done?
After the emission of the order, report will be getting the demolition of the structure. But I have got the report, my lord. I complete, but substantial. My plan was for 15 days. My lord, they entirely complete report submitted.
How big is the construction? How big is the construction?
This was just
But is the top floor of the building, the structure of 3,500, more than 500 square feet. Tin shed structure, the sides are all the glass fittings and whatever the cost they make.
There's a tin shed structure on the roof, nothing
And also
else.
the code directed,
Tin shed structure on the roof of the building.
Nothing else.
This is.
You are the promoter.
I'm the promoter, ma'am.
When will you demolish?
But it has been demolished, I'm told. It has been demolished.
All right.
only the iron rods have to be.
The tin shed has been completely removed.
Completely removed. Remove the walls also.
They are, it is in the process, ma'am. The order is already there, ma'am. The KMC is complying with the order, ma'am.
And you are not going up.
But the only thing, my
You are not going up.
but I'm not mad if my since there was a direction of for the Kolkata Municipal Corporation to demolish, they are in the process
Obviously, they will. They do not have any other option, but you are not going up.
Oh my, that is not the case. But we had challenged the demolition process by way of a writ petition. There was an interim order in our favor, and that is
I do not want to hear anything from you, sir. I only wanted to know, are you carrying out an appeal from the order of the division bench or not? And there is no reply to that. When will you demolish it? The corporation is doing it. You can also do it on your own because all costs are to be borne by you.
The total change of use also want to directed to be made, directed to be put up a notice. We have given a notice in front of the building also.
The outer structure remains. All right. Please come. The order dated 9th February 2026. Passed by the Honorable Division Bench on in APOT 18 of 2026, IA number GA1 of 2026, within bracket Abhishek Mishra versus Sri Sham Projects Private Limited and others. Messrs.
As corrected, you will see by as corrected on 24th of April
This is the correct. Some typological mistakes were there. It's corrected on 24th February.
And the order dated 24th February 2026, passed by the Honorable Division Bench in the same matter. Has been placed before this court. Stop. The report of the engineers of the corporation, signed on 10th March 2026, is perused. Stop. It appears that now the report mentions that demolition of the unauthorized construction has been carried out. Stop. The CI shed has been removed. Stop. Photographs of the demolished portion of the illegal structure have been annexed. Stop. The process of removal of the debris of the unauthorized construction is going on parallelly. Stop. Paragraph. It has been mentioned that as the premises is situated within a very congested and densely populated area, so precaution is required to be taken during demolition. Stop. From the photographs, it appears that certain portions of the wall, the iron frame wall and the iron frame are still remaining. Stop. The corporation is directed to take prompt necessary steps to remove the same. Stop. as per the paragraph, as per the direction passed by the Honorable Division Bench, comma, the charges for causing removal of the unauthorized construction, charges for demolition of the unauthorized construction be levied upon the promoter and be realized in accordance with the provisions of the Act and the rules framed thereunder. Stop. Release the contempt for further consideration on 20th of April. Give a copy to him. Well, can't you see that work is going on?
That I told you.
What? জানি শুনে not this week রয়েছে যে You are for the petitioner? Yes. Who is appearing?
Islam. Dovil Islam is appearing in this matter. Yeah.
Why don't you start? Yes, please.
It can be allowed. I have gone through the petition, my lord, a representation. There was an earlier order of this honorable court to consider the representation. That has not been complied with, my lord. The order is at page, my lord, 27.
Not paid for pension.
It's with regard to family pension, my lord. This order has not been complied with, my lord. This was passed in 2023.
Why has it not been complied?
My lord,
Who was supposed to comply it?
my lord, the respondent number 3, my lord.
Principal Controller of Defense Accounts. And why has it not been complied for 3 long years?
My lord, there cannot be any justification with regard to this, my lord. I have received this brief.
All right, please come. The petitioner complains of non-compliance of the direction passed by the court on 18th of April 2023 in WPA 23381 of 2019. Stop. By the said order, the court directed the authority to consider the request of the petitioner for grant of family pension upon giving a personal hearing and on consideration of the OM dated 19th July 2017 and in the light of the findings made in the said order. Stop. The same has not been, the order of the court has not been acted upon till date. Stop paragraph. The order of the court not being carried in appeal, comma, has attained a finality by now. Stop. The authority would be bound to comply the same. Stop. The writ petition is made returnable on 20th April 2026 a report by the respondent number 3 showing compliance of the subject order shall be placed before this court on the adjourned date.
Affidavit of service.
Subrata Babu, take down one line more. Nearly 3 years shall also be disclosed in the a report to be filed by the respondent number 3, report by way of an affidavit. If you want some more time, I can give you.
Oh, no, my lord, this should be complied, my lord, this is.
ঠিক আছে? Report by way of an affidavit.
And affidavit of service will be kept.
Yes, please. Three, not today. Ready with instruction? All right. Next 4. All the respondents?
Here the petitioner has been charge sheeted at page 29. By now I know my lord's view of the proceeding. And this
What has happened after charge sheet?
is a very initial stage.
All right.
He is complaining that the inquiry officer is biased. It would be personal bias. Earlier, Malad, there was a termination. He had issued the termination order by client. And the person terminated is a friend of the inquiry officer.
Friend of the inquiry officer.
That is the case. Malad, inquiry officer cannot be Malad party to this code.
See, in an office, you have friends. Does it always mean that the friend will be biased?
What he has written, Malad, kindly see page 43.
You want changing of the inquiry officer?
And this is the second occasion. I pray to my lord that some learned advocate be named the inquiry officer.
Why? What does the service rule say?
Service rules provide for appointment of an inquiry officer. This has been done, but they are not inclined to change this first. Page 11, page 43, paragraph 3.
See, friends in the bar, they are pitted against each other. They represent their clients. Right. So it is not necessary.
Element of professional involvement here.
Yes.
Nothing. Their personal bias will prevail over the subject matter. So the authority is Muhammad Yunus, 2010-10.
Hmm.
There are 4 types of bias: pecuniary, subject matter, personal.
No, that is different. But then
I'll be prejudiced. The company has nothing to lose. And my lord sees the charge.
you have
Kindly sees the charge sheet.
made this request.
Yes. The appeal cross the request.
Appeal against the decision of the disciplinary authority.
Page 101 is the page 107 is the rejection of the appeal by the authority.
Appellate authority.
Yes, there was no.
That means final order passed in the discipline.
There strictly there was no appeal was not maintainable because no. But even then, on merits it was decided. Page 107. The rejection order is at page 107. Kindly turn to page 108. The charges date back to 2011, 14-year-old charge, jail charge. I'll be failing in my duty, my lord, if I do not point out the charge sheet. Kindly see page 29. Page 29. The charges date back to 2011. The charge sheet issued in December 2025.
Let me hear the authority once.
Kindly, man, first, man, has a glance at the charge sheet. But first is, I've suppressed my date of birth when, at the time of my appointment in 2011. I have clearly mentioned.
Suppressed your date of birth,
Which means I have not disclosed my proper age.
proper date of birth.
But they do not dispute the date of birth that I have given, that has been acted upon, that is there in the service book. They do not dispute the correctness of the date of birth that was. I'll say this does not even disclose misconduct.
All right.
Page 30, page 30. The second charge.
Yes.
They do not, for the first charge, Article 1, 14th January 1969 is my date of birth. They do not say that that is not so. They say that I have mentioned my age to be 45 years at the time of application. It is 45 years up marks.
All right. Yes.
The second charge, my lord, is that I have mentioned the duration of my graduation course incorrect. I have mentioned it to be 3 years. They say it is 2 years. Between the date of my registration in the Bhadwan University, from where I graduated, and the date of issuance of mark sheet, it was 3 years. Those matters are, those things are matters of record. And third is, next page, that I have opened a LinkedIn account, a personal account on the LinkedIn, the site, where I have embellished my qualifications and stated that I am BTech in electronics. All this on basis of a complaint by a political person.
Are you a bit? Do you hold BTech qualification?
That account was not even opened by me. They have not disclosed the IP address, which is the primary thing to associate the account with me. It does not say, and they cannot shift the onus of proof also. For them to, there being a semblance of it going anywhere near proving the charge, they have to have mentioned the IP address. But kindly sees.
All right.
This is a premeditated.
The employee doesn't have faith on the inquiry officer. Why don't you engage somebody else without any submission? Without any submission.
Initial stage below.
Absolute.
This is the second time. Lord, kindly consider this up. Lord, he is about to retire by this year. Lord, he is trying to drag the entire. Lord, initial stage below, the competent authority has Lord appointed the inquiry authority. Lord, he has objected to that he is having relation with that personal Lord inquiring officer. That's why, Lord, I have changed that.
You've
Lord,
changed. First
Changed
time it was changed.
It was changed.
Now it's the second
Now
time.
This is the second time. Now this is the second time they have come.
Do you have a list of officers who act as inquiry officers?
So there are 2-3 persons.
Huh.
One person's Lord I have already changed.
All right, this is the second one.
This is the second one. Third person Lord is unable to do that. Lord is the aged person.
All right.
And this is the second Lord person. Lord, your lordships kindly see nowadays Lord my learned friend is Lord trying to Lord argue for your lordships about the Lord bias. Lord, kindly consider where is the real bias he has created in the repetition. Merely saying the bias does not, we will do. No, we will not do anything. And Lord, at the first instance, Lord, at the
1 minute, 1 minute.
very beginning, Lord, just after issuing the charge sheet, he has come before this honorable court and Lord challenged the charge sheet.
The court is not going to the charge sheet. I make myself very clear.
Then Lord,
1 minute. Page 43, I can see the name Rakesh Kumar Gupta.
Right.
That is the second inquiry.
Page 43.
Oh, you have problem with all the inquiry officers?
Again, I will come. Again.
Who is your friend in the company? Who you want to act as the inquiry officer?
Anybody independent? There are many learned counsels here.
No. Why learned counsels? It's the service rule is there.
We have already been appointed in terms of the service rules.
Let them place anybody else who is in the panel.
According to his choice.
Not
No,
my
no,
choice,
not his choice.
Not my choice.
How many do you have?
3% I told Lord before plot 6.
Who is the third one?
Lord, third one is aged person, Lord, he is not able to do the work.
Aged means he's still in service.
More than 70 years.
So he's not there in
He is
service.
able-
And
only
this
if you got-
person, Rakesh Kumar Gupta, is he there in service?
He's
No,
a
no, no,
retired
retired.
IPS.
He is a
Retired,
He's a
retired
retired
person. Lord,
All
here
right.
below the service condition says
Says
that you are
retired.
person.
All right.
Retired person, and IAS officer,
IAS officer.
officer
All right.
under the central government,
And
IPS officer.
suppose somebody is an aged person, you will certainly engage somebody else in place of that aged person. Find out somebody else.
Lord, the questions is below your official.
I am not going into the issue of bias,
I am not also
not going into the charge sheet also. Just to remove that very minute, whatever he has in his mind that there may be bias. Maybe. Come up with somebody else and finish it off.
Lord, on the basis of that
Finish it
apprehension-
off.
On the basis of that apprehension, Lord, this is Lord cannot be Lord entered.
That is the law.
Lord, that,
No,
that is
no.
not the law.
That is the law. With respect.
Listen, I understand. He is going to retire soon,
Yes,
right? So you need to finish it up fast.
yes, it is absolutely correct.
Get it done by somebody against whom
Lord,
who is nowhere related to your members or somebody. Find out somebody else.
I have understood, Lord, there is something wrong with him by that
N-
person.
I
Therefore,
take it
Lord,
that nothing is wrong with
only on
Rakesh Kumar
compassionate
Gupta.
ground, Your Lordship is Lord, changing
What
Lord,
ground?
only on compassionate ground.
No compassion shown. Mind it. It is no compassion. It is only for the purpose that he faces the inquiry with a free mind without anything that there is any bias. I do not know because to ascertain, see, I have to keep the writ petition pending. And this is going to create problems for you, which the court does not want to do. Finish it up fast.
Lord, tomorrow if I Lord going to Lord appoint somebody, Lord, you can again come before your Lordship and say that this is also bias.
The court
is the
can
second
see, I have seen his conduct that this is the second time. You've got two inquiry officers right now, and he has a problem with both. He has problem with
Just
both.
the remedies.
Right now, come up with somebody new so that you can finish it up, and then he has his course of action.
Ready to finish it off, Lord. Only the question is that, Lord, there must be some real bias. Otherwise, there is nothing.
Very well, the writ petition will remain pending. You proceed. You cannot pass final orders. This will be the order of the
No,
court.
no,
Will you
no,
do
there
you
must
want
be-
that?
Lord, that is not the issue here.
Then
But if the Lordship-
why don't you find, sir? You speak to your client and you get hold of somebody else who can finish it up fast. Please come.
Then, Lord, I have to take a instruction.
Please take instructions. I do not want an impromptu answer from you. The petitioner is an employee of Bengal Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals Limited. Stop. He is facing a disciplinary proceeding and is, what is the age of retirement?
Lord, the
60.
60.
Now he is 57.
No,
58, 50.
58.
You've mentioned it 57, writ petition in 26.
No, that was mentioned.
That means you have the tendency of not putting in proper age.
But I disclose my date of birth.
No, no, there, you see, your affidavit you've said, mentioned you 57 years of age.
He's
And-
57 now. January born. This was affirmed in December.
It was affirmed in February.
February.
Yes, sir.
But anyway, Malad,
Anyway.
here and there, Malad, he retired on the retirement date.
What is the date of retirement?
16 or 58.
Date of retirement.
It
If it
says,
is-
Malad, 31st January 2027.
Yes.
That is the service book, Malad. Kindly grant me leave to file the supplementary application. I serve.
And is due to retire shortly. Stop. Paragraph. He alleges bias against the inquiry officer engaged by the employer. Stop. A representation was made before the authority and that stood refused as the petitioner allegedly failed to prove bias. Stop. The action of the authority is under challenge. Stop. Paragraph. It has been submitted that the disciplinary proceeding is at a very preliminary stage. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the employer submits upon instruction that the company has 2 inquiry officers. Stop. The current inquiry officer has been engaged after the petitioner raised objection with the first one. Stop. The company has accordingly replaced the earlier inquiry officer with the present one. Stop. The company right now does not have any other inquiry officer to proceed with the disciplinary proceeding. Stop. Next. It has been submitted that the prayer of the petitioner for replacing the inquiry officer ought not to be entertained at this stage, as the petitioner has not been able to prove bias. Stop. Paragraph. I have heard the submission made on behalf of both the parties. Stop. As it appears that a disciplinary proceeding has been initiated and the petitioner is due to retire next year
January 2027.
in January 2027. Accordingly, the authority ought to take steps to conclude the disciplinary proceeding during the service tenure of the petitioner, or else the same may lead to further legal complications. Stop. Next. If the issue of bias as raised by the petitioner is to be adjudicated, then the authority would be required to file an affidavit in the matter, and the disposal of the writ petition may consume some time. Stop. Paragraph. Only for the purpose of proceeding with the disciplinary proceeding, with the idea that the employee does not feel that he has been put to any disadvantageous position, the court is of the prima facie opinion that the employer may engage any other person to proceed with the disciplinary proceeding. Stop. Next. To allow the learned advocate representing the employer to revert with written instruction in the matter, hearing of the writ petition stands adjourned till 24th March 2026.
The next date is 17th, and they have said there'll not be any stay of.
No. What is this?
Yes, I've
Look,
got the.
part-
minute.
All right.
Personal.
The matter is there.
The-
The matter is pending before the court. Do not worry.
Let me, my lord, have the leave to file the supplementary.
What have you annexed?
The service book, the last minute.
All right, supplementary affidavit filed in court be retained with the records. Stub copy of the same has already been circulated to the respective parties. Stub affidavit of service be also retained with the records. Does the service condition require somebody, some retired person from your company?
Not my company, from the state as well as the Union of India.
Why don't you engage somebody from the Union of India?
I have engaged
This person.
officer of the Union of India.
Yes. The third person will be going out soon because he has aged, the third inquiry officer.
He will not able to.
He is going out. So
Yes.
you'll engage somebody else.
Yes.
Please engage and see that it can be finished. Take instructions and you
Yes. Yes.
tell your client
Yes. Yes.
that for ends of justice, it is for you to finish it off fast.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Grateful.
On the prayer of the learned advocate representing the petitioner, hearing of the writ petition stands adjourned.
Your Lordship,
Till-
I'm appearing on behalf of the respondent NTPC upon instruction.
Respondent?
NTPC Limited. And I have not
NTPC.
yet been served the petition yet.
So far, my instruction service has been made. Anyway, Your Lordship, kindly.
If she is appearing, give a copy.
Your Lordship, the client has not yet received the petition
NTPC.
upon instruction.
Okay.
Uh,
Yes,
Upon
please.
instruction, the petition hasn't been received by the client yet.
Ki bola? It's adjourned till next. It's adjourned till 24th, next Tuesday.
Instead of 24, can it be by 16, my lord?
16th.
Yes, 16 March. But
All right,
21
17th.
Your Lordship, we
17th March.
Very well, 17.
Because today is Tuesday, I post it next Tuesday.
Yes, yes, yes.
17th March. Stop. Copy of the writ
Lordship-
petition shall be served to all the parties prior to the adjourned date.
Very well, very
grateful, Your Lordship.
well. I'm grateful.
Next.
My lord, I'm for the petitioner. I have served my lord.
Your other side?
But I have served.
No, you may serve, but then if your other side is not here today, then I'll not take it. Return this. Ache? Wait. Item 6, is anybody there for the respondents?
Item 6, my lord, I for the state, my lord.
All right. Are you the answering respondent ready with instructions?
My lord, the answering respondent, I think, is
Lord,
West Bengal Police.
lord has not made any appeal as per my lord rule, my lord. So, my lord, this is primary submission, my lord, today, and I am set for the appeal. On the next day, I will submit the report, my lord.
I cannot hear you, sir. Your sound is breaking.
My lord, petitioner, my lord, has not appealed to the concerned authority as per rules. I am audible.
All right. So you are submitting on merits? Who filed this?
My lord, this petitioner, I am audible, my lord.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this petitioner, my lord, height was measured at 159.40 centimeter, my lord. While the minimum required height
One
for
minute. The petitioner is yet to place his case. If you are there for the respondent, I'll start hearing.
my lord, the petitioner, my submission for today, my lord.
Yes.
Just for 2 points, only 2 points, my lord. Kindly.
First, you
on the
say,
matter,
are you
fix the next-
representing all the respondents or not?
My lord, I am for the state, my lord. I am for the state, and I am representing only for my lord respondents.
So he'll be representing. Now, let the petitioner start. Yes.
is that the petitioner
Is your microphone working? The green light is blinking? Yes, please.
this is that the petitioner is a eligible candidate who participated in the examination of constables, which was held in 2024. He applied for
He
he applied for that. The written examination was held in 2025 November. She passed that, and she was given the admit card for appearing in the PMT and the PET. In the PMT, her height was measured at 159.4 centimeter. Now, the minimum eligibility is 160 centimeter. Now, the thing is that in the previous occasion, in 2019 as well as in 2021, she had participated in similar examination under the same board. Height was stated as 160 centimeter, my lord, in both the occasions, and she was allowed and made eligible for the PMT as well as the PET. But in this case, my lord, the discrepancy is that the measurement has been stated as 159.4 centimeter. Now,
when was the measurements taken?
the measurement, the earlier one.
No,
No,
current one.
the current one was taken on January 10th, 2026.
Please show me that.
It is at page 63, ma'am. It is at page 63. In the middle portion, it is stated that the date is 10th January and the height is 159.40 centimeter. And my lord, in the previous occasions,
Yes.
and my lord, in the previous occasion, page 65, my lord.
Prior to going to page 65, in page 63 that you showed, there are some important instructions, right? Will you please read out what is there in paragraph 11?
Yes, ma'am. The decision of the range recruitment would be final and binding upon the candidate at any stage of PMT and PET. A candidate dissatisfied with his or her test may appeal in writing before the chairperson of the range recruitment board concerned on the same day of the test. No appeal in this regard will be entertained in the future. Yes, my lord. But on that day, my lord, she was unable to file the appeal, my lord.
Why will your appeal at a later date be entertained?
She has approached my lord on the later date, and she was
Yes, ma'am.
that her date for appeal has already been it's gone, my lord. But
Yes.
the thing is that, my lord, her measurement has some discrepancy.
Please come. The petitioner participated for recruitment in the post of constable in West Bengal Police. Stop. She got disqualified in the physical measurement test. Stop. Her height checked on 10th January 2026 was found to be 159.40 centimeters. 159.40 centimeters. Stop. The minimum required height as per the recruitment rules is 160 centimeters. Stop.
Yes. Thank you.
Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that the petitioner appeared in similar examinations earlier and in the physical measurement test. উপরে একটা PMT লিখে দেবেন তো ব্র্যাকেটে she was found to be 160 centimeters. Stop. It has been submitted that the height of the candidate could not reduce with the passage of such short period of time. Stop. Prayer has been made to prayer এর আগে specific submission is that the PMT taken on 10th January 2026 is faulty and incorrect. Stop. Prayer has been made to re-evaluate and slash or remeasure the height of the petitioner. Stop. Next. On a perusal of the admit card issued by the West Bengal Police Recruitment Board to the petitioner for PMT scheduled on 10th January 2026, it appears that there is a specific instruction that the decision of the Range Recruitment Board will be final and binding upon the candidate at any stage of PMT. Step. A candidate dissatisfied with the PMT may appeal in writing before the chairperson of the Range Recruitment Board concerned on the same day of the test. Stop. No appeal in this regard will be entertained in future.
My lord.
Stop. The petitioner did not approach the appellate authority on the date of the examination. Stop. It is only for the first time that objection to the PMT has been taken in the instant writ petition, which was filed on 2nd March 2026. Affirmed on 26th February 2026 and filed on 2nd March 2026. Step. Prior thereto, there is no document to show that the petitioner expressed her dissatisfaction with the result of PMT.
My lord.
Step. As the rules relating to recruitment clearly bars appeal against PMT on any date but the date of the examination, accordingly, there is no scope to entertain the prayer of the petitioner for re-evaluation or re-measurement of her height at such a delayed point of time. Stop.
My lord.
A candidate who participates in a recruitment process would be bound to abide by the recruitment rules. Stop. Next. In view of the above, no relief can be granted to the petitioner in the instant case. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed. Instruction retained with the records. Service is also retained with the records.
I'm grateful, my lord.
I'm going to state respondent.
I beg to appear on behalf of the relating to recruitment of constable under West Bengal Police Service.
From the outset, I may submit that in the morning I received the pay. Some instructions are required.
Let me hear a little bit.
There are things that.
Kindly come to my lord the advertisement portion. That is my lord page.
My lord, kindly come to my lord advertisement portion. My lord, that is page 41.
Yes, please.
My lord, the advertisement published for recruitment of more than 11,000, my lord, constable, male and female, my lord. Page 43 may kindly be looked into.
Yes.
Very categorically stated, my lord, page 43 at the top. 1 unreserved category 840 male and 360 female.
Are you unreserved?
That's it.
Are you in the unreserved category?
Yes, my lord. EC category is also, my lord. I am also, my lord, the exempted category, unreserved category also. My lord.
Is there a separate category for exempted?
Yes, my lord. Lordship, kindly see, my lord. Lordship, kindly come to my lord serial number 10.
Serial number 10.
EC. Then,
Yes.
my lord, 8.
Are you a SC also?
my lord, a number of petitioners are 6, 7. We have
Oh,
paid
there are many petitioners.
8
There are
we,
12 categories.
we have paid 12.
Oh, they are the mixed bag.
Yes, my lord,
You've got
we have paid court fees, my lord, and 12
not,
persons.
not the court fees. Court fees is coming later on. Well, I need to understand.
Yes, my lord.
Is the issue with regard to reservation or what?
Reservation at the same time, my lord, we are praying, let there be a direction. My lord, the number is required to be, my lord, shown who has secured what marks, what are the cut-off marks. My lord, in one matter, Justice Shaugato Bhattacharya was kind enough, my lord, to pass certain direction. Possibly state authority has preferred appeal. What is more, that direction we are seeking here, over and above, my lord, let there be specific direction relating to, my lord, the exempted category, my lord, my lord, the cut-off marks. SC, ST and OBC category.
Cut-off marks in the written examination.
Written examination. This is
Written
permissible.
examination is over.
Over. My lord,
When?
in between.
When was it over and when were the results
My
declared?
lord, I'm coming, my lord.
In 2024.
Lordship kindly come. My lord, 29, 11, 12, 2025, my lord, the result was published.
29th of November 25.
Yes, my lord.
Written examination result. All right.
Then, my lord, kindly come. Now, thereafter, my lord, the question of, my lord, measurement test and
Yes.
efficiency test.
Right.
Thereafter, Bhai-Babusi. In between Bhai-Babusi and, my lord, the written test, there is another test, that is physical test, measurement and efficiency. That phase is going on, possibly, my lord. The previous matter was relating to that. Now, my lord, in one matter, this honorable court directed, my lord, very categorically directed, let there be, my lord, disclosure. My lord, may I read that portion, my lord, to cut short this matter? Let there be a disclosure of written examination marks. Concerned respondent authority, at a copy then. Concerned respondent authorities are directed to publish the list in terms of the aforesaid direction by 7 days. Before that, my lord, I'm just reading, my lord. Paragraph 13. In the aforesaid conspectus, and in order to maintain transparency in the selection process for the post of constable in West Bengal Police,
Paragraph
which is
13
of, my lord, lordship, possibly.
I've got only 10 paragraphs, that to a half.
My lord, relating that, possibly that judgment relating to, my lord, this court, my lord, jurisdiction to entertain, my lord, the tribunal matter.
No,
I'm coming, my lord. That is I'm showing.
You have handed up Chandan Dhara, but
Yes,
incomplete judgment.
Just be handing it over, my lord, after reading. Just.
All right, you read out, doesn't matter. Shailesh, 4 of
aforesaid
2026.
conspectus, paragraph 13, my lord, in order to maintain transparency in the
4 of
selection
2026.
for the post of constable in the West Bengal Police, which is being conducted pursuant to the recruitment notification dated 5th March 2024. Concerned respondent authorities are directed to publish list of selected candidates for holding PMT or PET, disclosing marks awarded to those petitioners candidate in written examination and their respective categories as delineated in the recruitment notification dated 6 March 2024, which is at page number 38 of the writ petition.
Go to the last portion, paragraph number 13. No,
this is the mark portion, my lord, I may be excused. So that being the situation, my lord, possibly, my lord, the state authority I have inquired, preferred one appeal is yet to be admitted, and my lord, there is no question of stay and all this. This is the, my lord, our humble submission, my lord, in this case, my lord, let this particular, my lord, case be decided, my lord, subject to correction, my lord, though it is not binding since, my lord, the passed by the another writ court. But at the same time, for the propriety's sake, if this honorable court accept this contention,
so you want the results to be published.
Yes, we are in the transparency age, and my lord, in all examination in the year 2020, the same authority, my lord, I'm showing page bolun to. Same authority, my lord, categorically published the result, and my lord, indicating the marks. 143 may kindly be looked into, my lord. 143. Lord, you will find, my lord, this is 2020 examination, unreserved category, cut-off score 42.5. Lordship got it?
143 unreserved category.
Category, yes. My lord, cut-off score is, my lord, indicated. And my lord, the category also indicated. You are EC, exempted category. Then you are NVF HG, Home Guard, my lord. Then you are civic. Then SC, EC, and all this. Here, judgment দিয়েছে দেখুন, here দিয়েছে, লিস্টটা দিয়েছে যে এখানে লিস্টটা কত পাতায় দিয়েছে? হ্যাঁ 100 কত। My lord, here lordship will find, kindly come to page 100, the same authority previously shown some sort of transparency.
1 minute, 143 is of which year?
2020. Lordship will find that from 135 page number.
2020.
Yes, my lord. Lordship will find annexure 5, P5, 135. Now in this year, my lord, page 114 is the, my lord, this year result, which was published on 29/12/2025.
114.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Simply, my lord, the serial number and name of the candidate, and their whether, my lord, they are male or female. Only that indication, my lord. My lord, this is the age of transparency. My lord, the same authority previously, my lord, published the result in this fashion, and now, my lord, they are trying to, my lord, hit something in there, my lord, for the reason best known to them. My
All
lord.
right.
That,
Yes. In this matter, the state cannot have any response apart from putting up the marks, right? You must be having an official portal.
yes, my lord.
Online applications are accepted, so there must be an official portal. Put up the marks.
Yes, well, at the same time, my lord, person
come.
belongs to which category? SC, ST, EC, and all
The
this.
petitioner
Shall we kindly be recorded first?
that you have not received instruction.
Received an instruction. Apart from this, from the writ petition, it appears that the petitioners are both general and, my lord, exempted category, and mix up the matters, and that would be, my lord, sorted out, my lord.
Yes. The petitioners participated in the recruitment process.
So that an appeal has been preferred, the appeal is pending.
For the post of constable in West Bengal Police. Is it constable? No, দেখে বলছি. Page 41. Post of constables in West Bengal Police -2024. Stop. They are aggrieved as the authority published a list of shortlisted candidates for the physical measurement test and physical efficiency test. Published a list বললাম on 29th of December 2025. Stop. No, stop. No, candidates without disclosing the marks obtained by them and marks disclosed by them. Stop. It has been submitted that in the age of transparency, comma, to rule out any illegality, comma, the details of the examinees ought to be published by the authority. Stop. Paragraph. Reliance has been placed on the judgment passed by this court on 3rd February 2026 in WPA number 484 of 2026. In the matter of Chandan Dhara and others versus State of West Bengal and others, wherein the court directed, paragraph 13 ta dekhi, directed the authority to publish list of selected candidates for holding PMT and PET, disclosing marks awarded to them in the written examination in their respective categories. Stop. Prayer has been made. Now, it has been submitted that though an appeal has been carried from the said judgment, comma, a judgment being number FMA number 345 of 2026. কোন নাম্বারটা হবে ফাইলিং নাম্বার না রেজিস্ট্রেশন ও তাহলে 301 of 2026
এই তো কপি
And my lord, one thing, my lord, they have not sought copy on all the respondents.
everyone, my lord.
They, my
all the respondents means
the recruitment board, my lord, is also required to be sought.
all right.
Yes. Respondent number, my lord.
Though an appeal has been preferred. An appeal has been
Now,
preferred.
4 and
Stop.
5.
No order has been passed in the said appeal till date. Stop. Next. Learned advocate representing the state respondents is yet to receive instruction in the matter. Stop. It has been submitted that the copy of the writ petition ought to be served upon the recruitment authority, that is the West Bengal Police Recruitment Board. Show me the affidavit of service.
This is
মেল পাঠিয়ে দিই। হ্যাঁ, মেল চেক করুন। মেল চেক করুন। মেল। By specific instruction, one of these the person is present, they are not received the mail.
What is the email of the recruitment board? Please inquire.
wprb10@gmail.com. One shortcoming is there. Possibly, my lord, this mail has been, my lord, dispatched today itself, my lord.
Not only shortcoming, this mail has been sent to some other ID, not to the ID of the recruitment board. Take the ID from the board and serve. ঠিক আছে, প্যারাগ্রাফ দিয়ে লিখুন তো, এই দুটো রেকর্ডে রেখে দেবেন। প্যারাগ্রাফ হচ্ছে, as it appears that the prayer made by the petitioner has already been allowed by the court in the matter of Chandan Dhara and others, within brackets Supra. Accordingly, the authority ought to act in accordance with the said judgment. Step. The very purpose of publication of the marks of the respective candidates in a public competitive examination is to make the examinees aware of the standard of their performance in the written examination. Stop. Once the marks of all the candidates appearing in the examination are published, the candidates gets to know their own standard compared to the standard of the other candidates. Stop. The same is very much required for betterment of the candidate, so that they can take steps to improve themselves for qualifying in the future recruitment examinations. Stop. The employer will always require a best candidate to be recruited. Stop. The employer will not gain anything by not disclosing the marks of the candidates who appear in a public recruitment examination. Stop. Paragraph. The publication of marks also reduces litigations to land up in courts. The widespread allegation of illegalities and corruption which are commonly taken as and when recruitment examinations are conducted, can be ruled out if transparency, fairness and fairness is practiced from the very initial stage of the recruitment process. Stop. Paragraph. Hearing of the writ petition stands adjourned till 24th March 2026. Stop. As it has been reported that the subsequent processes required to be conducted after declaration of the result in the written examination, that is conducting the PMT and PET is continuing, accordingly the recruitment authority is directed to publish details of all the candidates who appeared in the examination by disclosing the marks obtained by each of them in the written examination, the respective category of the candidates, so that the candidates may get to know the position where they stand. Stop. Such disclosure shall be made in the official portal of the recruiting authority positively by 20th March 2020. Make it on 13th of March 2026.
Well, meanwhile, no further proceedings so far the PMT
No,
and
no,
PET
no,
is
no,
concerned.
no, no, this cannot be.
Otherwise, my lord, anything
As
done that
the
would be
prayer
abide
made by the
result.
petitioner seeking stay of any further PMT and PET
One thing
to be conducted stands refused.
Well, not entertained at this juncture, my lord. Kindly
That's not entertained at this juncture.
at the same time, it is
All right,
abide by the
Erica,
result of the writ application.
It goes without saying. Nothing to say.
My lord, one line.
You have not challenged anything.
One line.
You only want this. No, the court has gone much beyond what you've prayed for.
Required, my lord.
Requiring is something else. You didn't pray.
To contain corruption, my lord. Nowadays, lordship was right.
That was not the submission. The court did not want any other matter to land up over here, and that is the reason the court passed this order. Only to prevent future litigations.
At the same time.
One thing, may I humbly pray people also, my lord?
Yes, please.
My lord, instead of 13, my lord, that 1 week more, my lord.
You are conducting the examination. In that case, I have to entertain his prayer. Why don't you understand? I am refusing his prayer at this stage. Why don't you publish? What will you gain by this?
Not entertain at this juncture.
And not entertain. লিখে দেবেন তো?
Keep clear.
1 week more, your lordship, my lord,
Yes,
I'm instructed.
তাহলে একটা অর্ডার থাক না লোকগুলোকে দূর দূর থেকে ডেকে এনে বেকার কষ্ট দিচ্ছেন কেন
Around. তারিখের মধ্যে কন্টেস্ট করব কি বল I'm appealing for the petition. So the petitioner, my lord, has joined, my lord, as
Who's the other side?
lord, I have served, my lord, done a prominent pleader, my lord, I have served.
If you want the matter to be heard today, you have to bring your other side.
Then lordship kindly makes it not today, my lord. Lord, may I take back the affidavit of substance?
Why don't you raise your voice a bit?
9 matter, lordship.
Yes.
Filed before this bench, and the similar matter is pending before the concerned bench, lordship. The lordship kindly puts the matter out of.
Only out of list. It is mentioned group 6. Are you sure it's group 9?
Similar matter is pending. Concerned bench, lordship.
I do not know what is the similar matter. What is your submission? You're for the respondent?
Oh, no, one minute, my lord.
Yes, what is your submission? Is this a group 9 matter? Yes, the matter group 9 released. Liberty to change the front sheet. Hmm.
Okay. May I please, your lords. My lord, this is non release or non-payment of the, my lord, return benefits. The husband of the petitioner died in 2012. Thereafter, my lord applied for the retirement benefits in 2012. It was proceeded. But my lord, in the meantime, what happened? The alleged ex-wife, my lord, who left and married elsewhere, she filed, my lord, a suit. Paragraph 9 I have it. On the plea of suit, pendants of the suit, the further proceeding was stopped. Nothing has been released. In the meantime, suit has been dismissed on September 23, 2025. Paragraph 9 I have stated. After dismissal of the suit, my lord, again with the application.
Suit for?
My lord, she claimed that I am the wife, so I am also entitled.
All right.
That suit has been dismissed.
All right.
Now, my lord, after knowing of the dismissal of the suit.
Were you a party in that suit?
Yes.
All right.
Then, my lord, after dismissal of the suit, again we approached that now the suit has been, your plea that the suit is pending, that has been dismissed, obstacles have been gone. So kindly proceed and release the pensionary retirement benefits. That is pending. Now, my lord, a series of representations were made ultimately by, my lord, through my junior advocate, my lord. He demand for release of pensionary benefits, allied retirement benefits, that was made in page 41. My lord, page 41, November 26, 2025. There it has been everything disclosed. Now that lady, my lord, left me and left the husband, married elsewhere. We have requested that all the present wife, her children and children of the first wife, everybody should be distributed. So we
I did not follow, sir.
My lord, erstwhile wife.
Yes.
Erstwhile wife.
What is her name?
Name, same name. Same name. Same. She left, she married elsewhere, but along with me, she has got some children.
Where from do they get these people with same names?
No, here, what is the father's name of the wife? Different, two wives.
Yes. And
What is the recorded in my name? She is not the same.
Right.
Name same, father's
No,
name different.
father's name is different. He's married earlier.
Yes, yes.
He married recently 2001.
No.
And
Admittedly,
he
she was my
submitted
wife.
Marriage certificate from notary public.
No. Admitted.
No, your records do not tally with the records of the authority. What can be done?
No. Records. My lord, admittedly, she was my wife. She left me. She married.
You are the wife.
Now, present wife, my lord. We are from the line of present wife and children and the children of the
Present wife.
Yes.
2001.
Name same.
The name same means you will be the wife.
No. The present wife, her father's name is different.
Yes.
Name, my lord.
How does it matter? The identity of a person is important.
Yes.
The identity of your identity.
Identity. Anita Rani Maiti, similar name, paragraph, similar name who left the husband of petitioner and married elsewhere. Anita Rani Maiti, my second name of the second wife. The first Anita Rani left, then I married again Anita Rani, but her identity is separate. She is the lady of different parents.
That means a different identity.
No, here the issue is not the identity.
Sorry, sir. Please come.
Rival claim.
The petitioner claims to be petitioner claims to be the second married wife of a deceased employee of the
That is not the issue. Everything
Shyama Prasad
proceeded.
Mukherjee Port.
We have given everything. They proceeded. Identity is not the dispute here. No, not at all.
No dispute is there. We have asked our earlier.
Page
wife
23
submit
kindly
the
see.
consent certificate. That is in his writ petition.
Page 23 kindly see. We submitted.
Kindly see page 35. That
No,
is
no,
for
again.
the wife. I have asked them. to
Identity is not the
request
dispute.
Consent certificate, page 35.
Identity is here not the dispute.
That is
Mono-
original wife. He has not yet submitted till now.
These all particulars were given. Income tax, children, everything has been given.
But I will show it to Lordship.
Monotos Maiti and joint.
Certificate, he has not disclosed.
Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port, Kolkata. Stop. She claims family pension. Stop. From the documents annexed to the writ petition, it appears that the authority requested one Amita Rani Maiti within bracket Shahu, SAHOO, daughter of Bijoy Krishna Shahu, page 35, you'll get the proper spelling, to produce the succession certificate to establish her identity for processing the claim for family pension, as there is a rival claim for the same. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that a suit was filed by you,
No. Asked file.
by the
Alleged asked file.
other claimant,
Yes.
Against the petition.
allegedly against the petitioner, and the said suit stood dismissed by the court for default on 23rd of September 2025 in title suit number 258 of 2012, CIS number 790 of 2016, page 37. Stop. It has been submitted that presently all the
Legal years.
all the heirs of the deceased, including the heirs of the other claimant, jointly pray before the authority for grant of family pension in their favor in the respective shares. Stop. Paragraph. Your client was a Hindu or what?
Yes.
His name is not in the declaration by the deceased employee. Earlier one is the declaration.
Declaration you have?
No, earlier one now.
Earlier one, Govindapur. His
Achha.
address is Govindapur.
Learned advocate representing the Port Authority submits upon instruction that the issue of family pension cannot be settled in view of the rival claims raised by two women, both claiming to be the wife of the deceased. Stop. Paragraph. As per the particulars disclosed by the employee in the service records as dependent family members,
But they requested, we submitted all the documents before the authority, or on the request of the authority.
the name
it was
of
submitted.
the wife is mentioned as Amita Rani Maiti of village Govindapur and Bajitpur, BAJIT PUR.
Govindapur Bajit. And she has a different address.
Stop.
And
Till the
that you will kindly see the last page 11, notary public marriage certificate. This petition.
We are not disputing.
Page 11. No. It's a
Here, this is
petition one.
This is
Release
not the
petition
this
date.
is not the office
Is
of the
that
marriage register.
Acha.
at the top, right side.
Question of
7th March,
she was admittedly white.
Declaration
She left.
বললাম না?
That is the
Declaration dated 13th February 1988. ঠিক আছে? The marriage certificate relied upon by the petitioner
he has not disclosed. I am disclosing. He has not. She has not disclosed.
as disclosed by her. No, the marriage certificate disclosed by the petitioner before the authority is a notarial certificate
Dated 7th March 2021. 2001.
My lord, when
Right
the
forward,
wife
right
was, when the husband was alive, he submitted all the
Page
papers.
11 at the top, my lord.
Monoto Smythe submitted all the papers, the employee itself, himself.
dated 7th of March 2021.
2001.
2001.
Yes. 2001.
Acha 2001. Yes, 2001. Did this person die after superannuation or
He died.
died in harness?
Died in harness. Died in harness. Died in harness. While he was in service. at the-
Acha.
16th May 2012. he died.
16 May.
Died on
The
2012.
paragraph. The port authority contends that without ascertaining proper identity of the widow of the deceased, the authority will not be in a position to disburse family pension. Paragraph. From the documents annexed to the writ petition and the documents placed before the court by the learned advocate representing the port authority, it appears that both the claimants have same names.
Let them alone,
Name.
all of them and
That
decide.
is
First name different.
Amita Rani Maiti.
Amita Rani Maiti,
But
daughter of
the names of their respective fathers are different.
and
Stop.
address also.
Naturally, parents are different. Address
The
will be different.
address of the two ladies are different. Stop. The employee died in harness on 16th of May 2012. Stop. There is no document placed before this court to suggest that the wife named that the wife recorded in the service records of the wife, the lady recorded in the service records.
Daughter of Sanjeev Maiti. That is record.
Where is it? Daughter of
Sanjeev Maiti, Govindu. I have
father's name?
father's name
Page
is
35.
Where from are you getting the father's name?
I got from the record. my
Page
Yes, yes, show me. You have handed over copies.
lord. His address.
Page 30, Amita Rani Maiti, daughter of Vijay Krishna
Can I
Maiti.
kindly see the page
Devo
11.
Ghosh
Page
diya
11.
photo mein.
Page 11.
No, no,
Ye-
page 35.
আমাকে বলতে
No, no, as per your request, we sub.
Yes.
They requested us.
No,
Amita
page-
Rani
page
Maiti,
11, excellent.
page 35.
Page
Daughter of
11,
Vijay Krishna.
my document, page
Sahu.
11.
এটা-
Yes.
Amita Rani Maiti Sahu.
Hmm.
That is
She is the
address.
second wife.
বলতে দিন, আমি বলছি।
বলুন।
একটা একটা।
She is
Now-
the second.
Now your lordship kindly. Yeah. Address is, now my lord. Devbhai hold it. Yes. And my lord, Govindapur is, my lord, in my document, page 9, I handed over to lordship. Page 9. Amita Rani Maiti, daughter of Srijit Maiti, village Govindapur.
আচ্ছা কি বললাম that is Amita Rani Maiti, daughter of Srijit Maiti of Govindapur, Bajitpur, PS Shutahata, was legally divorced from her husband. Stop.
There is no divorce, ma'am.
There is no divorce.
In
See,
the
that-
absence of any order of divorce from the competent forum, the marriage between the employee and the said Amita Rani Maiti, daughter of Srijit Maiti, subsists. Stop. Had the employee married any other lady during the subsistence of his earlier marriage, then the same would be void in accordance with the provisions of the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955. Stop. The authority has rightly refused to accept the prayer of the petitioner for releasing family pension as her identity as well as her marriage has been found to be doubtful by the authority. Stop. Merely by having the same name, the petitioner cannot claim the terminal dues of a deceased employee. Stop. Neither, no, the notarial,
sons and daughters,
the
mothers.
notarial certificate relied upon by the petitioner also cannot be the valid proof of marriage in the absence of any declaration from the employee changing the list of his dependents in his service book. Stop. Assuming that the marriage between the petitioner and the employee took place in the year 2001, the employee, for reasons best known, did not include the name of the petitioner in his service records as his dependent. Stop. Paragraph.
But in service,
In view of the above, the prayer of the
service book,
petitioner
name of the second wife was
for
and legally
grant of family pension cannot be allowed. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed.
other petitioners, sons and
Affidavit of service be written with the records. আর একটা paragraph add up করবেন. The submission of the petitioner that the disputes between the previous wife and the current wife, that the erstwhile wife and her and the first wife and the second wife has been resolved is not a ground for allowing for directing the employer to disburse family pension in respective shares. Next.
Well, sons and daughters, mother, every they are majors, they applied. They also applied.
Next.
My lord, in item number 38, I am for the petitioner, my lord. I am praying for a day's accommodation.
Why?
But Mr. Atriyo Chakraborty will represent.
You please proceed. Let me see what is there.
This is my affidavit of service, my lord. We have served. But the matter pertains to POSH Act. I have been terminated.
Who is the employer?
Bajaj Alliance Financial Health Insurance Company.
Yes.
I was the assistant manager to that company. The allegation leveled against me is that I have sexually exploited one junior colleague of mine.
Yes.
For that purpose, an internal complaint committee report was submitted against me, from which it transpires that the allegations leveled against me was right, and I have been terminated, my lord. challenging the same, we have preferred an appeal under Section 11 of the POSH Act before the additional Labor Commissioner. And that, and from that order, my lord,
Labor Commissioner also passed order?
yes, my lord.
All right.
Section 4, my lord.
Yes.
I have been acquitted. I have been acquitted.
Labor Commissioner acquitted you?
Acquitted me with a direction for a de novo inquiry.
Yes.
In that de novo inquiry, the earlier conviction was
Again affirmed.
again affirmed
And you are aggrieved by the same.
by the same.
And the reason for directing de novo hearing, what was the reason?
Not, there was no specific reason which has been stated. Just the additional labor commissioner has.
Show me the order, please.
Annexure P4, my lord. Page number 33.
Yes.
Fourth paragraph from the bottom. Hence, the recommendations passed by the ICC in the instant matter cannot sustain in law and in fact, and thereby this authority sets aside the said recommendation of the internal committee in the instant matter. The internal complaints committee shall be at liberty to proceed de novo. The matter stands disposed of and is remanded back to the ICC for fresh proceedings.
The recommendation.
That was the order.
Anything. Did you make that the lady as the as a party over here? Did you serve? The other side is not here today. Which respondent is the lady?
Respondent number 5, minute.
The complainant.
Her name transpires.
No, it's all right. Name is not required to be disclosed.
Service is complete.
You are the employer. Are you aware as to whether that lady has been informed or not?
Of this petition.
Yes.
I can take instruction.
Take instruction because her presence will be required. All right. Are you ready with instructions?
Otherwise, I'm ready. But on that, Lordship kindly passes an order.
Right. The matter arises out of the proceedings in respect of the sexual harassment of women at workplace, bracket open, prevention, prohibition and redressal, bracket close, Act, 2013.
Lord, at this juncture, can I pray for a stay of the impeachment order?
Stop. The complainant before the Internal Complaints Committee is not represented today. Stop. Let further notice be issued. Stop. Release the matter for further consideration on 17th of March, next Tuesday. Affidavit of service filed in court be written with the records. What is the recommendation?
But he has been dismissed, and that has already taken effect.
When?
Salary has been stopped, my lord.
No,
Yes.
of course, the salary will be stopped.
Order of dismissal is dated. Anyway, whatever is the order, there is no scope for any interim order. Next.
ECL is my other. ECL is my other.
ECL. Now ECL is not represented today. Not today. All right. Next. Not today.
Not today. For the petitioner.
Petitioner. Not today. I don't see anybody for the respondent. Not today.
It will be taken up in the daily list or it will call on the subsequent.
Tomorrow it will be taken up.
For the
Same. Now combined list matters, nobody will appear. This is the problem. Any matter where both sides are there?
Item number 341.
Bring your other side, I am here.
46, 47, substance. Okay. 46, 47. Other side to big.
Nothing doing. No.
48.
I'll see. I do not mind sitting. If y'all are there, then I'll be here.
You are standing. Ninth floor.
No, even there are matters where petitioners are also not there. Some side or the other.
Second of mostly petitioners will
Not be there.